Hi, I'm Vicky for those that don't know, and for those that do know, welcome back to my channel. Now, I changed up my room a little bit, no big deal, I upgraded. But yeah, so today's video is based on nature in the outdoors. So without a further ado, let's get right into this video. So, as I always like to start, I like to start with the Milani Prime and Shield face primer. I'm gonna put that all over my very cold face. Alrighty, so today I'm not going to start with my face. I'm going to start straight with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Milani pomade in shade number 4, Brunette. And I'm going to go in with an angled brush. Alright, now to conceal my eyebrows. And I'm going to go ahead and use my all-time favorite Hard Candy Glamouflage concealer. And this one's in the shade Medium Light. Now with the concealer that I'm priming my eyelid with, I am patting it down with my favorite little sponge, my little blending sponge, to make sure all the product gets on there evenly. Now I always like to prime my lids before I put any type of eyeshadow on it. So I'm going to take this blending brush and I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock. Pro Sweep and Lock Translucent Setting Powder. So I'm just going to get a little bit on my brush. Alright, so now my eyes are all primed and ready to apply eyeshadow. So I'm going to go into my Morphe 35D palette. And I'm going to start with this shade right here, just to prime right underneath my brow bone, using the same blending brush that I used for the setting powder. Alright, so now that I have that light pink shade, I'm just going to go in with a harder brush, my e.l.f. 201 or 201 brush, and I'm going to go in with this very nice metallic shade of pink. And I'm just going to put it all over my lid. Alright, so that was it for the eyes, the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation so I can get to the flowers. So I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in 02A. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Alright, now that I have the foundation on, I'm going to go ahead and put on the setting powder right below my eyes. So let's get right into these flowers. I'm going to start off with the CoverGirl True Naked Dazed palette, and I'm going to go in with the red shade that we have right here. Now I'm going to be using the same brush, the eyeshadow brush that I used for my eyelids, and I'm just going to take that color and apply it right on my cheekbone. I'm gonna go in with this kind of orangey, subtle pumpkin kind of color from the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in right below the red. Now I want to complete that look, so I'm just going to go in with this very vibrant kind of violet look and go slightly above the red one. Now, since I have those already set, I'm gonna go in with this tiny brush, and I'm gonna go in with a green shade from the CoverGirl palette, and I'm just gonna try to make little leaves. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Now it is like a little pen, so I'm going to go ahead and detail these flowers with that. Alright, so since it is a little bit empty, I'm going to go ahead and continue up my face and down my face with just leaves. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of lipstick. So I'm gonna go with the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Crayon. Alright, so the only thing I have left to do is to add a little bit of mascara, and then that's it for the look. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so yeah, I appreciate you spending your time with me and for watching this very natural makeup tutorial. So like, subscribe, turn the post notifications on for both my Instagram and my YouTube. You can add me on Snapchat. I will leave everything below, and I will see you guys in the next video.